Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my head and I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Alright guys, we're off to Hidden Falls Adventure Park. And all of this right here is about to be mine. Man, Austin is so beautiful. So this is the decline. We're on our way down. And we'll probably ride on this end and finish on this end. Yeah, this is what Jeeps was built for. This is what they built for. I know some people that's scared to take their Jeep off-road. And you need to sell your Jeep and get a Bronco. Message. Know what I'm talking about? Let's get it. Yep. Uh-oh. So, we can get it later, I guess.
At the stop sign, take a sharp left turn onto East FM 1431.
Yes, sir.
In 1 mile, turn left.
Yes, sir. We are here, baby. Here in Jeep territory, you know what I'm talking about? That's if you ain't scared to drive your Jeep. Message. It's Jeep land, baby. All right, here's where you check in at. Hidden Falls, we are here. All right, guys, we just paid and we are off to the trails. So there's a meeting spot. I'm gonna go there first and then I'll continue recording from there. All right, Bless fam, I got the top out. I'm ready to collect some dust. I'm trying to act professional. I let the air out of the tires, but we are here at Hidden Falls. Let's get it. All right, guys, I'm turning off to my first climb. Let's see if we can do it. Let's get it, baby. Come on, Jeep, kick in. Kick in, baby. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Durant, you ready to off-road or what? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What are you doing right now? Yeah. What you... That's what I'm talking about. Real Jeep riders is out here, baby. And I'm pretty sure this is the meetup spot. She was talking about for our Jeeps and stuff, so we should be here now. Trail begins here. Alright, here we are at the general store. Let's see what they got to offer. Alright, here at the general store. Restrooms in the back. Coffee, snacks. Hidden Falls. What are these, magnetics? Velcro? Okay, Velcro. Alright. Souvenirs with the Hidden Fall tees. Got the hats, like the one in Mexico for $45. Pickles in a pouch. Snacks for the kiddos. Alright. Now this I like. I wonder how much they want for this. I'll take that home with me. Now they got riding gloves. Suits, is that Fox? Alright. Oh, they even got oil. Okay. Helmets. Alright, Hidden Falls. Goggles, that's what I was looking for. More t-shirts. Yes, sir. Alright, let me see what I can find in here for a souvenir. You got a Jeep? Man, everybody bring their Jeeps out here that ain't scared. Got their Jeeps for show. Yeah, I don't think so. How you doing?
Alright.
When I walk outside, they got celebrities at Hidden Fall. Guess what I run into? Oh my God, is that D-Rock Z? Oh, what up? D-Rock, you doing? I'm sorry to bother you, man. I know you get used to people running up to you all the time, man. Hey, you have a good one, man. All right. Man, that bad boy is high. I don't know if I want to go that high, but we're fixing to find out what we got going here.
Just made the static shot. Lately I've been calling all my friends, holding up their hand. Lately I've been thinking about the band. I just set a trend. Don't you come to me with that how you been talk. Don't you come to me with that I'm your friend talk.
Ooh, looks like a big drop off here. It's go time. Ain't no turning back now, baby. Oh my goodness. Oh, whoa. Handle it, Jeep. Whoa there, Nelly. Whoa. Bro, you got zero brakes. You just slide down the hill and control it. Slow it down is the best you can do. And that's what I'll do. Yeah, I'm not going down there.
He ain't never think twice for it. Real talk. God paid the price for it. If it's cap till I'm gone, cut that mic cord.
Let's see what once you do sideways. See, that's the one I was telling you what I got was scraping the wall. That's where I'm not going and scrape up the side of my Jeep. So we're gonna stay on the little beginner's trail. Let's see how it handles the sideways weight. Alright, Jeep. A little bit on the edge there. Alright. I thought this road was just for trucks and UTVs or trucks and 4x4s. Apparently not. God dang it. See, this was where I want to go, but they got it roped off. Wrong way. There's got to be a way to get up there because she told me that's the highest point. Not down. See what the sidewall feel like. See if the Jeep is built for this. They say it's got a depth roll. I'm trying to do a blocky depth roll. A little sketchy. Handle it, Jeep. It's a Rubicon. You know what I'm talking about? Let's go, baby. Let's go. No, you gotta. That's how much air they suggest you put in your tires. See all of them.
Oh, okay.
That's why I was letting the air out, but I didn't want to let too much out. Oh my God. Bro, this is crazy. And this is Texas. Keep that in mind. We ain't left the state. We are still in Texas. Wanna go up that way?
What you thinking, don't you?
Boy, you crazy.
I think you was thinking that.
You know why for real is spelled different? The real R-E-E-L is like when you're recording. That some stuff I do just for the camera. That other real R-E-A-L, yeah, that's the real me where I get the reality. So
That's why the real comes first.
yes, sir. I pretend for the camera, but in real life, you got me jacked up.
We're doing it in Lexus.
Mm-hmm.
How about to say Sonata?
Suzuki.
Yeah, I'm about to
Yes,
say
sir. Might as well.
Doing it in the Lexus.
Might as well. You got people with Jeeps that's scared to do this. And this dude in a Lexus doing it. I'd be too embarrassed. I'll sell my Jeep.
Message.
All right, y'all. I need four-wheel drive. Y'all gonna have to stop with the stopping on the hill. I gotta go until I get up top, baby.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Oh my God!
Promise you. All right, look like I'm flying solo on this one. I left all the other Jeeps behind. They was a little scared to come here, which I can't blame them. They was in a Lexus and a Toyota and some other stuff. And I'm in the big Jeep, so I brought it all the way to the tippy top. You know what I'm talking about? Let's get it, baby. Ain't no turning around now. Woo, look at the rocking of this Jeep. The Jeeps are rocking, don't come a knocking, baby. That's what they built for, you know what I'm talking about? So I'm gonna take it to the max. Why not? I'm going to the tippity top. And I'm doing this solo. As you can see, nobody behind me. Nobody. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. I'll go solo, baby. Yeah! Should have brought my cowboy hat. Alright, it says continue on this way to Wildcat Mountain. I thought we was here, but I guess not. Seatbelt. Oh. When we roll off one of these cliffs, buddy, you're going to tumble around and go right up this roof.
I was prepared.
Not without a seatbelt, you know. I guess it does go higher. Well, let's go then. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Oh my God. We are here. Gee, somebody try to climb that. I bet that's what I want to remember. The one I told you flipped over. I bet that's where he was at. Wow. Why would you even try? Oh my God.
Bring me right back home. Bring me right back home.
Beautiful. Hey, how's it going?
Y'all out here playing too, brother?
Yeah, first time. How about you?
Oh man, we was a couple times we've been out here.
Oh, okay, okay.
Good little spot though.
Man, a little nerve-wracking first time.
It can be.
Yes, sir. I came down that one slope. I almost turned around. I said, I'm not built for this, man.
Well, there's some of us that we still got to drive to work on Monday.
There you go.
You know what I mean?
There you
Like,
go.
So I want to act big and bad,
There you
but
go.
I also got to drive this to work.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
I smacked my butt with it.
Going out, we alone with him. Lit up, I'ma back to the city.
We're looking for 2 oil boys who can grease us up before each competition.
You are in luck. There's a town about 3 miles that way. I'm sure you'll find a couple guys there.
Okay, thanks.
I've got a story to tell, and I know it all too well. God has been good to me. God has been good to me. I want to thank you, Heavenly Father, for a day that wasn't promised. In Jesus' name, amen. Let's go be great.
They call me Mr. Lucky for real, for real. Wipe me down when you see me. Big go through when I skate off. Ain't no contradicting this to the moon when I take off. Think God be my witness, watch me stand on their business. Yeah. Mr. Lucky for real, for real. They call me Mr. Lucky for real, for real. Wipe me down when you see me. Big go through when I skate off.
Like for real, for real. For real?
Why'd you say for real twice? Like for real, for real? How come once isn't good enough?
Cause it's like for real, but not like for real, for real.